What's in the pain? Akoma FM 87.9. Okay, Pempay, what's in the pain? Yanka nokra eya emfankyere odasani ebeboa no pa. Asam na yese wo fascinating kuro no. Umia de na ya wo kama je wa mia twane nan no. Enya mi ntwane nan no. Dache enkofo ba beka se wo ye irresponsible wantimi amora akwada no. Anna Asante Koroko ekopie mu wo their Cross Sports Stadium. Asante Koroko elusu game no by go to nil.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
I know the Kotoko supporters and their hands show more a hard pa, but do an accumulation of the away games. I said to Zebu or and watch tactically on Yadi. Said to Zebu, Omo appointed, and they should come and tell us a Juma Papa be away or Moon's way. If I know you know, why and he, Nanette saying he's not a good coach. That is the fact. That coach who could not draw with Kadiogo after Koroko had won their first leg in the CAF Champions League away. Coach Rebaino went to me unsecure draw crowd Kumase Fasante Koroko. No.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
But I'm telling you the reason I said to Zabodasho. Okay, let's check. Masokredu about 3 games. And an amposa pamno. 3 games. Nanamposa who said 3 games. Masokredu woman time enye yam pamno. This is a coach or record of Ghana having won the Ghana Premier League for Asante Kotoko. Wajili for Asante Kotoko. Why assistant coach Adiama the Black Stars? Top competitions, AFCON World Cup and all of that. Masokredu, but after playing 3 games, 1, 2, 3, he was sacked. Nani amposa identifies omwano opamno.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Santa nana necessary zebu. Omopa lorry fair bi man no opa VIP ko Burkina Faso kunukuru. Onyade. Tell me Kotoko system of play. Kotoko boss dia yin. Etinam se mfanra ball no kwa no we Kotoko support and ya ya minim pasa ya. Especially this House of Folk team without a coach. This is it. House of Folk Asha Kotoko without a coach. Almost some coach in Mabonibi. And House of Folk played the game without a coach and defeated Kotoko. House of Folk Kotoko 1-0. Now House of Folk press Kotoko.
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi. Was Kotoko 1-0. No press Asante Kotoko. Probing for more good. If House of Folk had been clinical and said, Omuye Kotoko. Nanse me catch remo. Moi de dia debia to mo so. And my dia tum. I no bi tan obi. Na refis. Na nane amposa betu a cat. Say Kotoko Liga obetu no. And the refis. Me catch mo say stop defending what you cannot defend. Masa, yamfa attention nko babiese wo. Babiese won say coach ni modem mo
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Games Asante
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
6 games HSA 18 points and a stake. 6 games 18 points and a stake. So the last 18 points Asante Koroko are fighting for Ewawi. Kotoko nya 3. Elusu 15. This is unlike Kotoko. Coach, Yambano Breso, Yanshan Kakaya, coach, or Yabibi. Makacho Kotoko, we need game with fear. Team beyond what they would fear. It is the reason Hearts of Folk season in your Macosono. I have normal, and you're normal. It is not normal, sir. Medium Kaway and Yadiam Bahoma, Menyadi. It is
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Kotoko bempo kakra kakra ofie na win aba na wase obi bebre finalize say na and I said Mpacho said Zebo is not a good coach. He is not the option. Onya Kotoko coach esamo pamno, but me say it difficult for the name to take that decision. Na ya any manager munim say coach the ka bibia nkama pamno. Te say there 3 games after 3 games ultimate pam maso kredu so onkoro. Say na name posa unim pasa coach say nyasa o pamna sabe ani wo baba and kwa pamno but Masa, look at the interest of Asante Koroko. check the bigger interest. The bigger interest is that the coach is not a good coach. The coach cannot win anything.
Akoma FM 87.9
David Obey, Kotoko supporter be him say, Sakoscoda Super League, he say out to us, say, yeah, you will not win the league. This one, Obianim. So, Adriana Stars, that's really Kotoko with 5 points. But this is it. If Kotoko had been consistent away, this is what Kotoko and Kobenya, because Adriana Stars and Lusu Enra to Team and Dida Samates. Adriana Stars at home to Ken Faisal. I drop it 2 points. And you have 5 points that Adriana drop it in 2 games. At Jeffo Tiasemi, Makacham say Kasa. Yeah, you know, we've gone beyond Obi Town Obi.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
San Kamini family and family the community. What Tana, forget about that. Address your mind to the issues at stake. Adriana Stars are dropping 5 points in their last 2 games. Just 2 games, Adriana dropping 5 points. But still, there's a 5-point gap between Adriana Stars and Asante Kotoko. For all we know, Adriana Stars game only can fight about draw. We see all over. So let's Kotoko go home. You can give the points to Asante Kotoko. Adriana go home, give the points to Adriana. Kotoko kwa we aminu nyina betimi akansi su twan say Kotoko best and so ba pick 1 point from away.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
But be that as it may, what the young fellow said Adriana kwa we kra on to me winni e Adriana ba ko draw obesa ba home ba winni na Kotoko so ba home winni no kwa we no akobo draw na lose anya sa obeda sa no agi league. Coach said Zebo mo de mo nye na no kra de bibia me yeman shimi wo bibia ho say Asante Kotoko enra about 2 players a game no mu husu kakra left back Osebozu no okay yem fan say okay. Then Agadas was the main man in the game all over
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
The spirit of Kone has no Agadas the one mu ya wo surprisingly na coach no Agadas a free coach na Agadas a free na when substitution Kofa Clinton Opoku Assume Messi Clinton Opoku clearly born over no team to any business biana or ban coach in car no or jebona on him the on for board in yet has a foreign promo no mu channel na fouls be but yes has a for edge to branch channel and no be channel of course we saw that but clearly coach said to Zebo obian said to Zebo modemono
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Because said to Zebo was appointed by Nane Amponsa. Etiwa Beka said to Zebo as a Chesa Tanane Amponsa, Yam Fong, Mumforia for some Tanane Amponsa. But I'm telling you, sir, Kotoko coach in Yadi and the Modebo form. A dear standard and Nane Amponsa in the management, Ejina Soa, after 3 games of a pump, Maso Credua, said to Zebo, or that's what you're on the way. Obika said to Zebo by individual players' performance, I drop it. Asante Kotoko individual players. Me who players said to Zebo improve no. I just forget about joining Facebook.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And I yet Ebron. Okowa for a message in a tour. Audio call Akoma 87.9 FM on Facebook. Na for a message at all. Why drink channel? I drink there. Let us say a ma Braziano. To say manufu. Obia and the sizes and a dozen. Bruni say opinions are like noses. Everybody has one. You may have an opinion. Say say to Zebo, the best, no problem. Ubetim dia to ebe ken kan the amount. I drink and I
Pempe, what's in the pay? Pempe, what's in the pay? Pempe, what's in the pay? Pempe, what's in the pay?
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Them fan wadawa. They be kan kran dia straight. Say to Zebo me say, let's take individual players. Asante Kotoko branch did August in Japan. Enra or a disaster our class sports stadium. Akodani money back from Adentia. Coach is not improving him. Every coach ought to improve individual players' performance. Individual players' performance akosra. And not translating to total team performance. Not team not performing. Almost every Asante Kotoko player, the performance drop it under the watch of Seydou Zebo. The coach is not good. He ought to be given the sack.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
So the only possibility of Asante Kotoko winning a cup this season is to win the Ghana Premier League. And let me maintain that we are any analysis. Let me tell you, sir, over sir, or forecasting. Now to me, a prediction it is not based on intuition. Yes, no about no akasam, and no, and yeah, analysis no why. But when we take analysis, you do proper analysis. You take data. And the data you're taking is Kotoko last 6 matches in the Ghana Premier League away. Kotoko last 6 matches in the Ghana Premier League away.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And Walusumianza. What draw me as Lusumianza? That is 18 points. Kotoko for 3. 15 points gone. That is last 6 matches away. Now, factor in this Kotoko, and pick away points. Then a mathematician bet mathematics no first that data. No. Then you use the data, who analyze it data new year. It will give you a certain trend. So what is the trend? The trend is that and Kotoko where well Lusua about draw. That is the trend. Once you are able to draw that trend, it will lead you to be able to
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Next games of Babu Bono. Next games are of Babu Bono. Okay, Biana and Yoma and Koye and Famano, because based on the available trend, the trend I was saying is that we are resources, and yet Asante Koroko away for matches played 11. But we need 2. Kotoko I draw 4. And Koroko I lose 5. Asante Kotoko has 7 goals away. And we conceded 10. So out of 11 games, Kotoko 2 wins. Asante Kotoko 2 wins.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Unim say 1 win bia Emma 3 points. So 3 times 2 is 6. Now Kotoko I draw 4. That will give you 10. Into Kotoko out of possible 33 points away. Out of possible 33 points away. Krobia Asante Kotoko Metema. One more Aji 10. And I drop 23 points away. This is what mathematicians so in the calculations. So that your calculation then you find the trend. What is the current trend? The current trend is that Asante Koroko, as far as away games are concerned,
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
That you have established now. Trend, you know. Koroko am picking points away. Out of possible 33, Koroko I pick 10. We drop 23. Out of the last 18 points away, Koroko I pick 3 points. I drop 15. Based on that, you can easily predict. What forecast terminus is to predict is any number of remaining games, you know. All else constant. For economics for the culture, all things being equal. So body all boy any of the rest of the games are canon. Koroko can pick this number of points and other county home points in Naka. It will not be able to win the
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Yes, so coaches when Omatemo forms are Kotoko Eko wini over Kadiogo Ewo Beni. Na Kotoko Bakumasi Babayara. Say to Zebu and to me. There is an enterprise to as it were exonerate him and put everything on referees and a referees and a referees and a referees. Referees, Debia. And no, I saw it.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Draw line be and a bono offside. You want to find a defense for the coach who is not performing. It is clear. Coach said to Zabu, oh, Kotokona bad on for impact Biamai. Bia on for impact Biamai. Said to Zabu, so coach Diamasa, Biwo Kroma Bebre. Johnson Smith, me retain a chance, said to Zabu. Johnson Smith, one mujan. Johnson Smith, or one mucha said to Zabu. Said to Zabu, or Mono League, and Sakaona, who could be a Bechem Timno, who now crack ghost stars Timno, and then Yakotokwa, Kia Pamodada.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And said them for grow, down for Buffam and Uncle, or Trebi or Cotrefia Dia, down for those and a pepe can crash them. Obos and no credit that pepe catchamino, but a nipum I must have in tomb. Can no credit down for. Or Trebi only what down for back. I say, hey, I'm passing way or Panini catch you. When said to Zebo what appointed Mokaya. the name that came out was Kotoko. Now a big coach, Samukaya, before Kotoko appointed Sedu Zebu. Big coach, and Amaso. And you said to Zebu, you coach a Kyo, Basama so credu, Wasama so credu,
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And Unkwa, et me guarantee, say, Ome Asante Kotoko head coach. But the coach comes back, and the coach is failing. You cannot. It is not correct. Coach said, "Umotimo form, no question, no, umotimo form, but you're not sure question will be a baby aka. Defense, let's say, we have Prana and a refugee penalty coach. Forget it. Onyadia, umotimo form. Umotimo form."
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Mr. Ukrainian fan wada was a juma dewezo. My pa woman so me pa. What 30 seconds now odi akan wasem.
Pempen, what's in the pay? Pempen, what's in the pay? Pempen, what's in the pay? Pempen, what's in the pay?
Jam fast and for my bar for madama yedi jumadi at the eba. Ye kwa piemo ewo Josent Fashion House. Nia kai Ghana for nyina said Josent. Wano ena etonta de pampa bwa papa. Adie bia papa your original de. O pebiata furniture ewo Josent Fashion House. Wudru Josent asye ewo kejetia. Oni Hello FM edi hwanimu. Wokwa duma an kan top man build no sro nyina.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Kumasi Sirimo ya Ben Shoprite. Josent, Daja, Borum ewo ena hye kese no na bra na ne emra emedidwa na nyoma enkoyi. Enso enfama sanso ana meka wo se ye tomirika ne de ne ache mo born to be Ewuna Motors. Kumasi sofitam ana benya born to be Ewuna Motors. Born as a ope original genuine spare parts, car spare parts ne de papa ni nyina no ewo born to be Ewuna Motors. Yanko ni yanko to spare parts papa enso emfanhye car na se o padian na to o de kwasa fitam obefra born to be Ewuna Motors 0244
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
86 59 94 me patron infections nkwadia kotokwa mesha infections kotokwa mesha kwa mesha eno ne adra me kamfo edema wunya kwa mesha ne bia ebebo ye pa edro wei me se immune system no ayam mrepa immune system no yamrepa infections ne bowura musa but ye de kwa mesha ena etu ase edro ne din ade kwa mesha ba bia ton bidro ewo Ghana fana ba bia what wani echemo wa obenya bia to Jalline Travel and Tour ade ko Israel from 26
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ko Israel uwo Kumasi akwosra so sanso ana wo nkran odi wani chem ewo East Legon when we abofo a wamo aka ho ene ade dwuma de den ade pempen ade ebro
Pempen, what's in the pay? Pempen, what's in the pay? Pempen, what's in the pay? Pempen, what's in the pay?
Monday bia abra nonan abo yesi nkonya ewa Akoma FM so na ye de pempen what's in the pain ade abro coach said disable finally na fe enche meba mo so na mabefam adwenche coach team na wo coach
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Team na wo coach a big team ana wo coach no o made money average below average. They will trade your coach a mid-table team, but team now coach no and your mid-table team. What is your style of play? If it's all backward go, what do you trade? So I establish a style of play by. And no pana a brand did orchestra Japan who am mobile. Who improve players' performance. And no game now, you should be Agadas, I will form no, but Agadas, Mamin Kasim with Vajo. Agadas. Kotoko captains armband.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
I know you were not happy with the substitution of coach in the air. But Agaras, untimi nyas adian. Players be play. I yes adian anko omuye. I better say unyam pachawa pakot company furniture. So unyam pakot company furniture Agaras pachao. Sir, coach you from a useless decision. Adia coach it is not based on any tactics. No tactics be. Said we no need tactics be changes no here no. We nim the oil no one so ye bidi. So we Agadas a free. Na boni e bona apart from Agadas. Kotoko play a ben na team bobo ni bi. Apart from Agadas. Kotoko play a pen and
Akoma FM 87.9
surprisingly,
Kumasi.
coach decides Agadas and we in a film. But Agadas, it doesn't give you any authority. So be you Kotoko captains and band never from the ato from no, don't do that again. You know you are my boy. But at the end, my catch was a hano. The Obayan and Yabakacho yam found Wadawadao. Agadas, one yadia, and you Kotoko Amban and Tonchene, Granite Chaka, at Wasna for the train, and then Okwasana. Abranton did Norwegian boy and a captain. Miss Rowe. Adia we are in Yabium. Ubet me a company for no Macassa, and dear coach.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Not on the field of play.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Now, Wakwakoyi, Captain Samba, now what watching from Sampacho, Yanisa. But, say, about Yaboya. Akabe from the studios of Akoma Akabe 7 minutes. Now about 5. He's still on second the but Makacho said, Nanamposa, forget about your personal ego. Forget about the fact that quote said Zeboruna Pamanko for question you. It is true, people will question you. Diana Baye, Kotokwane, Ogum Diana Baye, an idea. And I also and I also and I board meeting and I hey, not the Suberi Granty interview to graphic. And also
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Nana Pamboy no na wani so da waji wani so nana ne amposa wan kasa no ye be special program amount oba kotoko 3 FA Cups 0 league no se we be so nana 3 waji 1 o se wan yi we ya 3 waji 1. It is not the kotoko performance. Maybe people will talk about of the field achievement. Of the field achievement. Up to now, so I don't know you. I think we are the bus who changing bus. Fantastic. Koroko needed a proper bus.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Befitting bus, befitting Jesse. Yet you too, but opinion. Performance on the field of play, they are poor. Mamen kind of. Obaye only has about 5 games to Accra. President Cup Premium. Okay, we in a league game. Because Kwasa and an amposa. Oh, puff or performance. Kotoko home games from in Africa under your watch and an amposa. Okay, so what should be? So Kotoko home game in Africa, what should be? The Maho. But coach Jordan and a Pamon Yadia, Unim, or Bianim. I just will be on person budget of crowd to more Bianim, so coach in Yadia. Coach in Yadia.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
498-035 0322-498-035 0243-1144-97 0243-1144-97. Because the Pempea no I just was in the pain no I chawadi Pempea
was in pain.
Fini ba biaka zafi.
Yes, I'm not now to you.
Na yetio.
Because if you have got you say no one can serve for food.
I'm pacho yetio. Tento.
The chairman and mid and if it's faces. The name ya just answer the person. But Pablo.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Nana that's pa Pempe was in the pain. Monday Bia ya the Jumate way at the April 0322498035 03224-98035 0243-1144-97. Pempe.
What's the pain?
Udini ba biaka zafi.
If you just say me kasa free just so.
Open you too.
If you remember about somebody never just put in about now. And somehow. Hey, where do you know? Pepe and yeah.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Kotokopani. And yeah, radio more. Omonya no kwa nyumre ya nenye. Enyenyenyenye.
And I say open your brass on 0322498035 03224-98035. But Omunsha Saline on Elho Emma 0243-98035.
Hello.
Pempe.
What the
Dini ba biaka zafi.
Midiale Malik Phobia, Schmacophobia.
Malik you.
Opening Cassia. We dear mobile, Juma Papa. Now, Kozibo, Zebo,
Akoma FM 87.9
and the
Kumasi.
house. goalkeeper na wako attack no na over kyerɛ sɛ
Pacho enya no ene discuss ya oba asem na dadwa no na wa kyerɛ wadwen ɛwɔ ho ha ɛyɛ akoma
Pempeng, what's in the pain? Pempeng, what's in the pain? Pempeng, what's in the pain? Pempeng, what's in the pain?
pempeng
Pempeng was in the pain.
dini ba bia kaza fi
Kasa fili Kenya si ajume.
Pacho yitiu
Ili kana pro. Kaka mbesa mi kati yako toko kwa ni tuanze. Timu na yeye dia, yenye coach ni dia. Omba sa isi the house for the ya.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
I abutre upo wa dwenkyerɛ but enchese koye no in a violent way adena ha supporters ne na ye chi omunti Mr. Omenko na enko koye sa ade bi 03224 98035 03224 98035 0243114497. Hello, good evening. Pempeng.
what's the pain
Dini ba bia kaza fi
sɛ me just am kasa team ase
just say it you.
na coach yi ho ba do ye de sɛ o pɛ sɛ o team fa komo hey la yini hwe ko pɛ sɛ o kure dia
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Pempeng.
That's it.
Pempeng.
Mama Linda Crown is a strong Cassavanti.
Pempeng.
hello
Pempeng.
what's the pain
Udini ba bia kaza fi
tap on you
it you.
not 4,000 ya tian sɛ on kotokone house match na yes no we press no kotokone press no adam ko mi na from kotokone house match de ebo na ya din e ba ya kra 3-4 days me fresh house mi ya ka sɛ kasa nchrom sɛ aya hoden anya na ya din ko ra sa match ni
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Penny.
Pempeng.
Mamusianra Agara sort to Captain Bank in Tottenham. Hello?
Tutune.
All right, I know 2 years idea. But I'm not going to my Oban, who's got Captain Bank in Maubia.
No jatu
I
for
said
more
Captain
no jatu
Power,
for more.
indiscipline too much. Mama Linda Kumacrab. Omuchano.
Pempeng.
Good afternoon.
Udini ba bia kaza fi
I'm Derek Erica Moisim Casa for the House in Turkey.
Eri fa yitwa to na yempon.
I said disabled, but a bomb, many house in the back of the
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Abusha panyi samia champion. It was way a pempeng Monday bia. Ya betena se e wa Akoma 87.9 FM. 30 minutes. Na ye de ab.
Yentua so ha Akoma 87.9 FM. Pempeng na sorry the abetwam no. Yeba na enra game a ekọ so ewo Accra Sports Stadium. Game no ba na wie na Hatchfolk win game no by a goal to nil. Now that game Sabakaya na no Saturday ye trans ye rewura mu ye pa na Hatchfolk